Alright, is it filming right now?
Yep, it's rolling.
Okay, so
We're all right. Don't worry.
We'll just restart it. Right?
Yeah, if I edit it out, it's all good.
Let's see where should we start. So it's a 2003 Nissan 350Z. Thing's got 200,000 miles on it, and I beat the shit out of it every time I drive it. They got a bad rep, but you know, it is what it is.
All right, so 2000.
So it's a 2003 Nissan 350Z.
Nice.
It's a DE.
Okay.
Burns oil.
Oh yeah.
So the motor's full bolt on besides headers. This thing's a trooper, but one day this motor's gonna go out, and then I plan on boost.
Nice.
Supercharged specifically.
Oh, nice. You don't see a lot of those.
Oh, the Vortec. I want a Vortec.
Nice, dude.
The Vortec just sounds so good. I don't give a shit. I don't care that the Vortec only makes give or take 450, but that is plenty enough for this car.
That's all you need. Yeah, that's all you need.
The car was painted BMW Long Beach blue, and now it's 3M wrap.
Tell me about the kit.
So I got the kit, saved up for a while, because then I realized I need wheels to fit.
Yep. Is it a Rocket Bunny?
Yeah, so it's Rocket Bunny, and then all custom splitters from JF Customs in Miami.
Nice, nice. What size wheels? What's the fitment on this?
So the wheels, you know, they're pretty thick, but they should be bigger. So for the fronts, we're running 19 by 11, negative 38.
Nice.
And the rear is 19 by 12 and a half, negative 58. And if I could have adjusted it, all you Rocket Bunny guys can thank me later if you're on bags. If you want this super, super disgusting tight fit, man, you want to go with the negative 68 to 70 in the rear.
Wow.
Or start rocking 13s, but.
That is an intense offset. That's awesome. Okay, so it's on air. What's your air system?
So I'm running Airlift 3P, but I'm actually running old Airlift struts from my Airlift V2.
Nice.
I have basically full GK Tech suspension, so it's all spherical.
Nice.
I did the Brembo brake swap.
I see that. Nice. Those were good. Yeah, you got a lot more mass to
Oh,
stop.
they look terrible when I had to work. They look so bad. So for the rear, we got the OEM clear tails, which looks so much better than the eBay ones I had.
Yeah.
Not a Rocket Bunny wing, actually. That's Drift Dialex GT style wing.
Nice. Looks good.
The diffuser is from JF Customs Miami as well. I wanted something aggressive, the GT3 style chassis mount one.
Yeah,
and
totally.
We just kind of crafted this one up.
Hell yeah.
So I'm the original owner of this diffuser.
Really? Hell yeah, dude. That's sweet.